Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby here, and today I'm gonna be doing a second attempt with Chameleon Cells technique and those ready mix paints by artist Loft. Also today I'm gonna be working with a new silicone. It's silicone for acrylic pouring that was sent to me by my new friend Cassandra Dove, and it's by her brand Dirty Pour Fluid Art. So if you want to check it out, I'm gonna include information in the description. So when I did Chameleon Cells technique using this paint the last time, it worked very well, but it has spread so much during the drying, and I think the part of it was because I did it on a canvas and also I used a little too much paint. So today I'm gonna try and use less paint, and also I'm gonna be working on a wooden panel instead of the canvas. And I hope that it's gonna help me to hold the initial shape of the swipe and Chameleon Cells. So let's see how that works and let's get it started. Guys, we're back. It's dry now. The cells kept slightly opening for the first few hours, and this is what we have now. I'm very happy about the result. What a big difference compared to this one, right? So it worked exactly as I was hoping. The wooden panel helped the paint sit on top without spreading, without stretching too much, and I would say that all the cells stayed exactly where they were, which is really awesome. And I am very happy that I used the gold in the corners and also in the center. I think it looks very nice. Nice, beautiful, and shiny. Now this 100% looks like the tie-dye mosaic effect. So I would say that the silicone worked pretty well. Of course, the one try is not enough to make any conclusions, but to me it looks like that those little dimples from the silicone that I have in the paint, they are a bit less deep compared to what I had with regular silicone, especially here in the center. Yeah, here they're definitely less deep, which is of course a good thing, but I would need to test it with other techniques to also see the difference. By the way, let me know if you would be interested to see a video where I would compare different types of silicone in acrylic pour, and also let me know which techniques you would like to see in that experiment. So if you would like to see more pours with Chameleon Cells technique, check out this playlist right here. And if you would like to see more experiments with this ready-mix pouring paint by artist Loft with different techniques like ring pour, dirty pour, Dutch pour, etc., I have playlists right here. So check it out. I'm looking forward to hear from you, and thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.